To add agility, efficiency, and flexibility to service delivery, many enterprises are moving to containerized applications. Today, I'll demonstrate persistent data in a Kubernetes environment, providing the content no matter how long any specific container or server lives. Trident is an open source container orchestrator maintained and supported by NetApp. It works right along with Kubernetes, automatically providing data volumes when you need it most, during container deployments. But not only that, it also can work with NetApp backend features such as cloning and snapshots to protect your data. Let's say we want to start a blog site. We need persistent data to hold the content without any dependencies on any specific container or server. I've installed Kubernetes with Trident on a 3-node cluster, 1 master and 2 worker nodes, with an ONTAP backend for our demo. So as you can see, I already have a storage class I will use for the blog. Trident was installed in the Trident namespace. We can see we have an SVM configured on our ONTAP backend, but no data volumes are there yet for the blog. So moving back to Kubernetes, we change to the blog namespace, and we can see that there are no pods currently in the blog namespace, which is where I'll put this deployment. Next, let's load the ghost.yaml file, which has a persistent volume claim, a deployment, and the service abstraction layer for the blog application. It will take a moment for the pod to come up. Now we can see the deployment, the pod, the persistent volume claim, and the persistent volume that Trident created automatically for us. If we move back to the ONTAP System Manager, we can see that new volume that Trident created on the back end. Moving back to Kubernetes to grab the port of the service, we will now log into the blog site, running as a container in a pod. Next, we need to create an account, add the requested information, add a password, and now let's create a new blog. Ale or lager? Which tastes better? So let's quickly add a photo so we can see it easier. And then publish the post. So let's see the published blog. So now we need to take node 2 out for maintenance. Since we used a deployment, we can simply drain the node and Kubernetes will automatically destroy the pod and recreate another pod elsewhere in the cluster. We need to do this via the CLI since it's not yet available on the dashboard. So we can see that the pod's been evicted. And now we can see that Kubernetes deployed a new ghost pod on node 1. So now let's reload that web page. And we can see the content is still there. So today I have showed how Trident automates storage for containers. It works side by side with Kubernetes, providing volumes when your applications need them, enabling the NetApp data management features for containerized applications. Try Trident for yourself to provide your containerized applications persistent data from your NetApp backend with all the NetApp backend features. It is fully open source and available on GitHub. Go to netapp.io to see more, join our Slack channel, and don't forget to say hi. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching and have a great day.